Good morning, dear students. I, Vijayalakshmi, your teacher of English, welcome you to Lecture 6 of Chapter 2 Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom from the book First Flight. Dear students, till now we read that on the inaugural day 10 May 1994, when Mandela was sworn in as the first black president of Democratic South Africa, he said that when he was saluted by the military generals, he pointed out the shift in their attitude. These decorated officers who had just saluted him as the new president and pledged loyalty to his government would have arrested him not many years ago. This grand ceremony came to a close with the Impala jets leaving a trail of the bright colors that formed the new South African flag. On that symbolic day, two national anthems were played. The white sang Nkosi Sikelel, Africa, and the blacks dice sang. Mandela knew that although the two groups had once despised each other's anthem, they would soon memorize both. Now, know what happens next. What did Mandela recall through the next part of the chapter? On the day of inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. Here I refer to Nelson Mandela. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. Now in the last decade of 20th century and my own 8th decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all people, regardless of the color of their skin. Yes, dear students, Mandela on this day recalled the historical events that had marked the growth of apartheid in South Africa, the Boer War, and the first decade of 20th century had witnessed the spreading of the system of racism and dominance of blacks by the whites. However, in the last decade of the century, all this had been overturned and the South Africans enjoyed equal right and freedom irrespective of the color of their skin. Mandela also recognizes the sacrifices made by the great men of his country. Now let's talk about some strange words and their meanings. The first word is symbolized, which means be a symbol of. Next is lyrics, the words of a song. Despised, hated, had a very low opinion of. Overwhelmed, having a strong emotional effect. Erected is build and construct. Power over another race. That means dominance. Inhuman means cruel, brutal. Overturned, reverse. So these are some strange words with their meanings, and you are to write these strange words in your master registers as well. In his speech, Mandela says, that day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people, people whose sufferings and courage can never be counted or repaid. I felt that day as I have on so many other days that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them, that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. So, through these lines, Mandela wanted to say that the numerous freedom fighters before Nelson Mandela had passed away after having contributed to the struggle for liberation. These were men of extraordinary courage, wisdom, generosity. Mandela had resumed their struggle against poverty, discrimination, and sacrifices. He was talking about the unimaginable sacrifices made by thousands of his people. He was talking about them because the suffering and the courage of these people could never be counted or repaid. The victory of freedom struggle was actually the sum total of all the African patriots before him. Now I'm going to give you three questions that you are to find out from the coming text, and maybe that have been discussed earlier as well, so you are to find out their answers. The questions are: what does Mandela say about the spectacular array of South Africa jets? Next one is: how did Mandela learn the meaning of courage? Next one is: what kind of life did Mandela have as a child? Now, be ready to find out the answers. We will meet soon in the next lecture 7. Thank you. Thank you very much.